An 8K camera for YouTube that comes with a tripod and 2 batteries. This GTYOLOR camcorder makes some bold claims, promising professional-grade video without the professional price tag. But can it truly deliver on that 8K promise and be a game-changer for content creators? Right out of the box, this camcorder feels surprisingly capable. It's compact, jet black, and features a crucial 3-inch IPS flip touchscreen, an absolute must for anyone serious about vlogging. The build quality feels solid enough for everyday use, and the inclusion of a 32GB SD card, 2 batteries, and a small tripod right in the package is a thoughtful touch, meaning you're ready to shoot almost immediately. Now let's talk about the star of the show, video quality. The GTYOLOR boasts an impressive 8K resolution at 15 frames per second. While 8K is certainly eye-catching, for smoother motion, especially for fast-paced content, the 4K at 60 frames per second or even 6K at 30 frames per second will likely be the go-to settings for most users. The 64-megapixel still image resolution is also quite remarkable, capturing plenty of detail for those landscape shots or high-quality thumbnails. The 18x digital zoom is there if you need to get closer to the action, though as with any digital zoom, one should manage expectations regarding image fidelity at its extreme ends. For the modern content creator, connectivity is key, and this camcorder doesn't disappoint. The Wi-Fi connection, paired with the HelloCam app, allows for seamless remote viewing and control from your smartphone or tablet. This is incredibly handy for solo shooters. Adding to that convenience is the 2.4G wireless remote control, offering a generous 50-foot range, which is perfect for setting up shots without constantly running back to the camera. Beyond just recording, this device pulls double duty as a webcam. Connect it to your computer via USB, switch to PC cam mode, and you've got a high-quality camera for video calls or live streaming, compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. And for sharing your masterpieces on a bigger screen, an HDMI output is available, though you'll need to supply your own cable. Shooting in varied conditions is also addressed. The infrared night vision feature captures clear black and white footage in low-light environments, which can add a unique aesthetic to certain projects. Plus, the built-in fill light ensures your subjects are well lit, even when ambient light is scarce. This GTYOLOR camcorder truly packs a punch with its array of features. From time-lapse photography and motion detection to built-in noise reduction and anti-shake technology, it's designed to make vlogging and video creation easier. The ability to record while charging is another practical benefit, extending your shooting sessions. In conclusion, the GTYOLOR 8K 64MP video camera presents itself as a highly versatile and feature-rich option for aspiring YouTubers and video enthusiasts. While the 8K at 15 FPS might be more of a marketing highlight, the robust 4K 60 FPS performance, combined with excellent connectivity, a flip screen, and a generous accessory bundle, makes this camcorder a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their video content without breaking the bank. It's a solid contender for its price point, offering a lot of bang for your buck.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.